Hello and welcome back. For today's video, we'll be looking at the differences between a public offer and a rights issue. There is just one clear differences between both. But beforehand, what does a public offer mean and what does a rights issue mean? So a public offer is basically a general invitation by the company that is listed on the stock exchange, either the Nigerian Stock Exchange or the London Stock Exchange or any other stock exchange. Basically, the company is inviting you to come own a piece of the company. So a public offer is different from an initial public offering, which is an IPO. An IPO is when the company is listing on the stock exchange for the first time ever. Or public offer, the company is already listed, but it's still inviting the general public to come own a piece of the organization of the company. While for rights issue is basically a private invitation. It is limited to the existing shareholder of the company. These shareholders already own stocks or shares in that particular organization, the particular firm, but the company itself is still inviting them to come own additional piece of the company. So a public offer is open to the general public, while rights issue is the private invitation, particularly to the existing shareholders of that company to come buy additional shares. Again, for a public offer, you don't need to actually own the stock initially. So, like I said, the clear difference, the distance differences between these two is the price. So, a public offer, the company issues it at close to the current market price at which the stock is trading, at which the share is trading on the stock exchange. While for a rights issue is issued at a discount. It is issued at a discount to existing shareholders. So you have them saying, for every X unit of shares you own, you can buy additional units of shares at a discounted price. While for a public offer, it is near the current market price, just to make it enticing for the general public to come on a piece of the organization. That's the difference between a public offer and a rights issue. For a rights issue also, it is the right to own the stock, not an obligation. As a shareholder, I might choose to exercise the right or not to exercise the right. It does not affect my existing shares, the units of the existing shares I'm going to own. It's a right, not an obligation. That's the difference between a public offer and a rights issue. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.